Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make freshly ground flour at home for your cooking and baking recipes. So first up, you need to have a grain mill. This is the one that I have here. It is called the Harvest Grain Mill and it is from Nutri-Mill. It's very easy to use, as you will see in just a second. And what's great is that you can use this to make all different types of flour. For example, whole grains like spelt, barley, rye, hard and soft wheat, and einkorn. Gluten-free grains like millet, buckwheat, quinoa, and rice, and even gluten-free legumes like chickpeas, lentils, and black beans. What I love about having a grain mill is that it makes having a variety of flours on hand more accessible and affordable. I typically stock my kitchen with wheat flour. That is the flour that I use the most often in my recipes, but I have always wanted to try cooking and baking with other types of flour, especially gluten-free grains. The reason I don't stock those flours in my pantry on a regular basis is because one, they are harder to find and I usually have to go to specialty food stores in order to get them, and those stores are not that close to me. And number two, they can be expensive. So because of those two things, I usually don't buy them. But what I already do is stock my pantry with bags of grains and legumes like quinoa, rice, and split peas. And so now, thanks to having a grain mill, if I need a half a cup of quinoa flour, for example, to make a particular muffin recipe, then I can just use that quinoa that I already have on hand in my pantry and make quinoa flour within a matter of seconds. Okay, so for today's tutorial, I'm going to grind up some white rice so that you can see how this all works. So the first thing we're gonna do is plug in the grain mill and take this top off. Then I'm gonna turn it on. And I'm gonna mill 1 cup of white rice here. So as you guys saw, I just poured the rice up here and then the flour just comes out here. So just make sure you have a bowl and you're good to go. And as you can see, this is super fine. And now I can use it to make all different types of recipes. If you want to get a grain mill like the one that I have here, then you can use the link in the description box and use code Marissa20 for $20 off your order. The one that I have is called the Harvest Grain Mill in the gold color. So that's how you make your own flour at home. If you are wanting to improve your health, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I share videos every single week on healthy foods, eating, recipes, and lifestyle. And before you go, be sure to comment which type of flour you use the most often in your kitchen and which flour you're really wanting to try. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Stay well, my friends. Bye.